Hello paper lovers, welcome by a new YouTube video for Bramble Fox. In this YouTube video I made a 12 by 12 scrapbook page using the beautiful sunburst stencil from Bramble Fox. I like this sunburst stencil very much. You can use them in different designs, and I saw an example from Morak. She used a lot of these sunburst stencils on her pages, and I thought I will try. I will give it a try, and I make on both sides of my pictures some beams. So here I'm using the Distress Oxide Mauve Lawn and some distress application, and gently I rub the distress oxide over the stencil so you can see the beautiful sunburst beams on my white cardstock. I'm using my ruler and a fine point pen, and I make light stripes, black stripes around my sunburst sunbeams on this page, and I like the effect. I saw it earlier in layouts from work and other designers, and I love the little black lines between my sunbeams. For this layout I want to use the light pink awesome title with the arrow through the word awesome, and the collection that I use for this layout is the Happy Bloom from Pink Fresh, and these light pink perspectives fits perfect with this beautiful collection from Pink Fresh. And here I already picked some die cuts that I want to use for this layout, and here I put everything a little bit in place so I can decide what colors of design papers I want to use for behind the photos. And I cut the design papers to size with my guillotine, and when I have all cut the design papers to size, I rough the edges with my distress edger and put them behind the photo. Here I rough the edges from the design papers that I cut to size, and I'm using my distress edger from Ranger for to ruffle the edges. I love the ruffle. I love that ruffle look on my design papers, and I'm using adhesive tape, and I use 3D foam to put everything together. And the reason that I using 3D foam is that you can slide easily your die cuts between the design paper layers behind your photo. Here I'm starting to slide my die cuts on top and between the photos and the paper layers. And when everything is a little bit in place that how I want it to be on this scrapbook page, I rough the edges from these die cuts and attach them with adhesive tape on my scrapbook page. For the title, I use different alphas and the perspective and the words strips. So the title of this layout is "Remember We Make Awesome Memories Together on this day." This day we were in Paris and we had a lot of fun. We see a lot of things. Every year we go to Paris, and Paris is our city. And when we are in Paris, it feels just like as home. And we've been there for a week, and we had a lot of fun and great memories there. So. And I like the way you use different word strips, the word alphas and perspectives to make a title. So it's a very long title, but you because I use different alphas, word strips and perspectives for this title, it's very easy to make large titles. So I'm definitely happy how this title turns out on my page. I'm using glossy accents to attach the perspectives on my scrapbook pages, because glossy accents holds the perspectives very well on my scrapbook pages. And here I make a cluster on top of this photo, and then it's time to make some splatters. First I use more perspectives for this layout, and I wanted to add the perspectives butterflies. I use a light blue teal colored butterflies on this scrapbook page, and I added some dots, also from the Happy Bloom collection from Pink Fresh, and I love dots on my scrapbook pages. They are so cute and very easy to use on your pages as an extra decoration. Now it's time for the splatters, and I'm using the Distress Oxide Mode Lawn and the acrylic white ink splatters that I make with my brush, and at the end I added some black acrylic ink splatters on my page, and that's it. So I loved how this layout turned out, and I love the collection in combination with the perspectives, and I adore the Bramble Fox stencil, the sunburst stencil. I'm a very big fan of this stencil, and I love how everything going so well together. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I want to thank you for watching this video, and I wish you a crafty day. Don't forget to check the Bramble Fox Facebook group for more beautiful inspiration from everyone, and for now, wish you a lovely crafty day, and hope to see you again on YouTube. For now, bye bye.